Hi guys, this is Kunj Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now to learn new design in AutoCAD. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, ISO draft on. First of all, UCS icon fixed. First of all, I will choose line command. Its dimension is 60 mm. I will zoom it. Again, line command choose its dimension is 45 mm. Again 10 mm. Again 15 mm. Again 10 mm. Then connect it. Again, line command choose its dimension is downward direction is 20 mm. Then 60 mm. Again 20 mm. Now 15 mm. Now this direction is 10 mm. This direction is 15 mm. Then connect it. Now again line command chooses dimension is the downward direction is 15 mm. Again this side 50 mm. Then connect it. Again 15 mm. Then connect it. Now line command choose extend the line. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. All the part is selected. Copy command. This direction is 50 mm. Now again line command chooses dimension is 20 mm. Then connect it. Again extend the line, line command choose. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. Now again line command choose. This direction is 60 mm. Again 60 mm. Again middle to 30 mm. Now I will choose axis end command. I enter diameter 60 mm. Now this circle is copied to upper direction 10 mm. Now this circle is copied to upper direction 10 mm. Again line command choose quadrant to quadrant, connect it. Again quadrant to quadrant, connect it. Again extend the line. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. Again line command choose. Extend the line. Trim command used. Unwanted line is trim it. This part is delete. This line is also delete. And connect it. Again this line is also deleted. Again line command choose. Extend the line. Both side. Again line command choose extend the line. This direction. Again extend the line this direction. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This line and this line is deleted. Trim command use. Unwanted line is trim it. This line is trim it. Again I will choose this line is also delete. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This line is delete. Again fillet command choose, radius enter 10 mm, multiple this line and this line, this line and this line. Again line command choose, this corner to this middle point connect it. Again axis end command choose, extended command I enter, diameter 22, this circle is copied to downward direction is 10 mm, 10 mm. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This circle is deleted. So our drawing is completed. Now I will give the dimension. So align dimension 15 mm, 15 mm, 13 mm, 10 mm, 60 mm, 45 mm, 90 mm, 30 mm, 20 mm, 15 mm. So our drawing is completed. I will choose span command, center the drawing. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.